What up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode here at Ford Era. You got Solomon over here, and we're at Fat Fender Garage doing an open house. And there's a bunch of really cool trucks. I figured I'd show you guys. So we got a Nova Speed's awesome OBS. It's got a 351 in it, Holly setup. Freaking badass. Josh brought out his LS F100, and he's got just the craziest setup. I know everybody always likes to talk crap about LS motors, but he races this thing. He fully built it. I mean, it's badass. He got all the Muncie Speed carbon fiber. I mean, look at that. It's a full-on race truck. Super cool. And it might not be a Ford, but it's pretty cool. You got Ronnie's orange slice over here, Mr. C10 Talk.
He's about to be here. He went late.
Here we go. This thing is bad to the bone. It's got a 12-valve swap. Insane patina. Just everything. Kyle's old blue. He just drove this 66, all original, inline from Washington, 1,500 miles. There's a 76 Super Cab. Then check out that Toyota. Let's go back over here. Check these ones out for you guys. Oh man, love this. Then we got Dan's 66, that's really a 2010. Brian's 77 over here. All original crew cab, 41,000 miles. This thing is bad to the bone. And this is a really, really nice truck. Short bed, got some pretty cool wheels on it. And Coyote swap. I love the look of this thing. We got a C10, so we'll just walk a little faster. And another one. We got a Bronco over here. Thing's trick. Another dent side. I know that guy. Got Robert's awesome Fat Fender right over here. This thing is all-wheel drive. It's sitting on a full Explorer swap. What's up, dude?
What's going on?
What's up, everybody? This is Robert, Mr. Old Ford Crew Cabs or Mr. Shift.
Yeah. How's it going?
Good. We're just rolling around, showing everybody what's out here.
Sorry I'm late.
Ah, no worries. Here we got another killer F250 Crew. Another F250 Crew. This one's also 12-valve swap. Now let's see what all the Fat Fender stuff are. You know, they always bring the heat, so. Ooh, this thing is gorgeous. Look at the way that sun hits it. Nice Monte Carlo. This Bronco is gorgeous. And you cannot forget this Fat Fender. Alright, let's head on inside, see what's inside. That's all the good stuff is. I was already in there. Jason.
Hey, what's going on, man?
What's up? We're gonna show everybody the shop real quick. The 67 twin turbo Coyote swap truck. When this thing is absolutely nuts. The full Fat Fender quarter built chassis under it. stages right now, obviously. We got the C10 that they built. Beautiful 57 F100 that they did. We got also Gen 3 Coyote swap. I'm pretty sure this is on their full chassis. What's up, dude? Good. Gorgeous. Here we got the Bronco that they did. I don't remember the year of this thing. It's got a Gen 2 Coyote in it. And here we got the 76 4x4. It's got the Gen 3. Got the Whipple supercharger on it. 35. I mean, this thing is awesome. Interior is next level. Steps. We got the chassis that they do. So Fender has the full frame chassis, airbagged or coilovered for 1947 to 1979. So the Coyote, got a Godzilla. There's a Bronco they're doing, looks like with a Coyote. There's a 48 with a nice Coyote in it. Looks like they got a...
What's up, man?
Fat Fender. What's up, dude? Oh, I didn't recognize you for a second.
Standing.
How you been?
Good. You looking at my project?
I am. That thing's badass. Tell us about it.
49 Ford F1. It's going to be a tow vehicle for the guys' other projects or something. I haven't really got the details, but we're doing Mustang seats, Coyote swap, 6-speed manual. So I've been working on getting extra floor clearance for the pedals and stuff. Raise the bed floor. Of course, it's got one of our chassis on it. So
Hell yeah.
I've only been here for a week. We're already open housing it. So
Hey, dude, this thing is awesome. I'm gonna keep showing everybody what else you guys got around here. I'll be right back. Here they got a den side that they're in the middle of ripping apart. They put a Gen 3 Coyote in it. Did some really nice firewall work. Got the full chassis on it. They shortened the bed. Sneak over here. So this thing is awesome. This is like a Ford GT. The styling on it is just insane. Supercharged, Whipple supercharged. I mean, just look at how menacing this front end is. Another C10 over here. Dino.
How you doing? I want to have your job, dude.
Alright, so that was it. I'm gonna keep rocking around, see some more trucks. Might pick this back up, might not, I'm not sure. So if I don't pick it up, you guys make sure to you know, give this video a thumbs up. Really helps. If you like the channel, consider subscribing. And if you got any questions, comments, drop them down below. And we'll catch you maybe some more clips later. If not, in the next video. See ya. Reese has the whole family packed in his crew cab. This is exactly how you do it. It's seat 6, so you seat 6. This thing is awesome. It was his dad's truck. He built it when he was 13 years old. And his dad passed and he got the truck and he left it exactly how his father built it. Super cool. See? Might have some more stuff like this pop up.